guys think? Hello, my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. I am a fashion lover, a makeup lover, and a proud mother to a sophisticated cat named Snoop. Today, we are doing this very bright, colorful yellow and red and orange sunset goth vibe. I don't even know what to call it because I don't know what I was going for. I kind of just went off the top of my head. But if you want to see how I achieved this forehead, keep on watching. First, I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using the Confidence in a moisturizer. And if you look, I'm almost out. I literally am out. I'm literally scraping the sides of the jar. But that's okay because there's one on the way. And I also ordered a Gua Sha face thing. I don't know if you guys have seen them before. You guys are probably like, what the hell did you just say? I don't want to get the information wrong, so I'm just gonna put like Google Google search right here. But yeah, I'm hoping it'll actually work because I have one of those, you know? Hey, it's not even edited yet. Anyways, we're gonna be priming our face now, and this is the Ciate Hydrating Watermelon Burst Face Primer. I'm just like laughing because I hope it like turns out good for the rest. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This foundation, not that bad, a little bit pricey, but not that bad. My pump is kind of broken though. It just keeps leaking down and it makes it like stuck. See, watch, wait, so like, and it doesn't, it wasn't even in the camera. It's not even up all the way. Like I have to force it back up. I don't know if it's just mine. I'm going to wipe my lips of this foundation because I told myself and I promised myself I wouldn't allow myself to be crusty on camera ever again. Right now, I'm going to, wait.
I have an idea.
I need to do something first.
I'm gonna dive into the Honey Greg palette.
This palette is literally so beautiful. There is a lot of controversy with these cake liners at the bottom because yes, these are 10 cake liners, and I know this sounds sponsored, but I promise it's not. I'm gonna dive into an annually, but I'm gonna be using a fluffy little brush because I'm going to make a perfect circle around my eye, but I'm gonna do it kind of high because I want it to be like underneath the circle, you know what I mean? It's kind of gonna look like a sun now that I think about it, but that's okay. The color payoff is absolutely immaculate. I don't mind the cat hair on my brush. It's not very like pigmented, but that's kind of good in my case because I'm kind of heavy-handed, you know, sometimes. And I'm just putting this literally on the perimeter of my eye in a perfect half circle because I'm going to cut my crease into a perfect circle and make that a bright yellow. And I'm just blending that out as far as possible. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush with no product and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this orange. Now I'm gonna take a smaller, fluffier brush and I'm gonna take this darker orange. It's called You Mad? With some question marks. So and now I'm just going to blend that out again. Now I'm gonna take this really tiny little flat packing brush, Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflaging Concealer by Face Studio, and that's what I'm gonna be using to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take the bright yellow. It's called Beep Boop. She was really creative with these names, what can I say? And we're going to set the concealer with that. Now I'm gonna take a little teeny tiny little detail brush and I'm gonna go into this shade. It's called 2016, and I'm just going to outline the yellow that I have on my lid just to make it pop. It's not popping enough for me. So for my colored lashes, I'm just going to be using these Texture Eyes lashes by Ardell, and these are 577 for the number shape. I'm just going to take the same concealer that I used to cut my crease, and I'm just going to coat the lashes in the concealer. I'm going to take a firmer, fluffier brush. I'm going to hold it down on a surface without dusting any of it off. I'm just gonna go in on the powder and really make sure it's covered. And this is what they look like now. Now I'm gonna go in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is by Maybelline. Do a little bit under our eyes, on our little cheekbone over here, our nose, chin, a little bit down here, and a little bit on our forehead. Go ahead and set the high points of my face exactly where I put the concealer with the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. And of course, the Real Techniques powder sponge. It's like a velvet feeling on the sponge, so it sets the powder really, really nicely. I'm gonna cut my jawline. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Now I'm going to do my usual nose contour. I'm going to take the Burnt Orange. I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be on my face, but it's gonna be my little blush, and I'm gonna put it up here as well. I'm gonna take the bright orange that we used earlier called You Mad. Dimension up in there.
Look at these cheeks.
Now I'm gonna do my highlighter, and of course I am using the Ofra X Nikki Tutorials in Glazed Donut highlighter. Now I must start the most tedious part.
The eyeliner.
And no, it's not gonna be just a regular wing liner. I wanted to do a graphic liner today. I mean, it's even for my face. You know, my face is just uneven as shit.
Moments are time, and time, my friend, time is a luxury that none of us have.
Now's the point in the video where you're like, Brooke, how am I going to match my natural lashes to these red colored lashes? Oh, let me tell you. You get a clean spoolie, like the same mascara spoolie. Then you're gonna get a paint palette. I'm using the You Can Be Athena paint palette. I don't know if this is safe, but if you really, really want to, put it on the spoolie, just like that. And I'm just going to use it like mascara. And I'm gonna do red brows today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, while you're down there subscribing, there's a little bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and press that so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!